I have a Honeywell TH8110U1003 that is not responding to touch. When I touch the screen, it doesn't even light up. I just replaced the batteries.
Hi, I'm Douglas and I am here to help you resolve problems with your heating and cooling equipment. Has the keypad ever been locked before or has someone serviced it recently? Does the word screen locked appear in the upper right corner when you try to adjust the temperature?
No. It is on the screen that it would be on normally.
If the screen were locked, which can be programmed? Any touch would cause the display to say screen locked just above the temperature set point is displayed, next to the up button. Also the backlight would come on. There are cases where the screen touch sensor is defective, in which case the thermostat has to be replaced. If you get no light and no change at all to the display, your thermostat will need to be replaced. If it's less than 5 years old, the good news is that it's under warranty. Now if it does display screen locked, we will have to access the programming to unlock it, but again, only if screen locked comes up when touched. Did I understand correctly? Screen lock does not appear?
Screen lock does not appear. When I pull it out from the wall a little bit, the screen light will come on.
If you take it off the wall and hold it in your hand, do the buttons respond?
I just went upstairs and plugged it back into the wall and now it works. I have been messing with this thing for 3 days, looking up answers, and now it decides to work.
It may have not been making clean contact on one of the posts for one reason or another. But it may also have an intermittent issue internally. You will want to watch it. If it does it again, I would return it under warranty. If it stays working, it may just have been a dirty post. I am glad to hear it's working.
Thanks for your help.
You are welcome. Thanks, Douglas.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.